Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and this is my first look at LeadCart. So LeadCart is I guess, relatively new shopping cart software similar to ThriveCart, I think is probably the closest comparison. It's also competing in the same kind of area as SamCart and GrooveFunnels and lead pages and things like that. It doesn't have all the same functionality as all of those things. Like I said, it's closest to ThriveCart in what it does. And it really, it has almost all the same bells and whistles as ThriveCart. It actually has some functions that ThriveCart doesn't have, and it is considerably cheaper. So I'm pretty impressed with it, even though I haven't gotten into using it yet. I basically just unboxed it, got my account activated, and now I've signed into the app, the LeadCart app. So this is basically my dashboard, and up here in the top right corner there's a sync now button, so I guess that would sync with anything that you're integrated with. I'm already looking at the analytics. This would be my transactions breakdown. I just bought it, so I don't have any, of course. This is my first kind of unboxing look. You can have customers in like your database here. You can also collect leads with LeadCart, which is kind of cool. True to the name, it's not just for selling things. You can also use it as an opt-in software, which is pretty neat. And then down here, funnels, you can create a new funnel, which, we'll do maybe a quick look at this. And yeah, so I guess you basically just drag and drop elements. So like checkout page, upsell page, thank you page, and then oh, okay, yeah. So then you just click to connect. And I wonder if I can connect. Nope. What if I? Nope. What if I? Nope. Okay. So I guess I can't have it going to the same thank you page regardless. So I'll put in a different thank you page. And there we go. So that would be like a basic funnel with a single upsell. And then I'm sure if I save that and then I click on back to funnels, now I've got a little funnel created. And then here we have products, which probably works in a similar way. Yeah, so it's asking what kind of page I want to design. So maybe I want to make a checkout page. And looks like you can change this. So I'm working on an email marketing ebook. That's not what it's called, but you'll see what it's called when I sell it, I'm sure. And what else can I change? I can change this, but I don't want to. There's my logo. It's preloaded in because I set my account up a little bit. Okay, so you can change some colors and stuff like that. That's cool. Right now they only have Stripe and PayPal integrations, but they are working on more. I think they're working on Apple Pay and Google Pay right now. And yeah, anyways, that's a quick look at that. Then they've got, you can do coupons. They've got a ton of integrations. Like I said, just 2 payment gateways right now, but they integrate with most autoresponders and then some other miscellaneous things, including Zapier. So you can basically integrate with anything through that. And then they have an affiliate area where you can promote LeadCart as an affiliate if you want, but you can also create your own affiliate programs for your products. And so that's pretty sweet. And one of the features that they have that other competitors like ThriveCart don't have is you can have multiple subdomains within one account. So they call them brands, and I bought enough that I get to have 10 brands. So like my main subdomain is going to be alextucker.leadcart.io, but I'll be able to have 10 more, and I can also use those. Basically, I have credits, and I can either use them for brand accounts, or I can use them for sub accounts that I could give to other people, or sell to other people, or rent to other people, or use for clients, or whatever I want to do with them, basically. So overall, it's pretty sweet. I'm I haven't gotten into using it yet. I just bought it last night, but I've got a couple products coming down the line that I want to sell on my blog, and that's basically what I'm buying this for. Is because it's going to be really easy to kind of integrate it with my blog, and I'm going to start selling some products that way. So anyways, that's my initial LeadCart overview. If you would like to get more information about this, remember to subscribe and like the video. I'm going to do more videos about LeadCart that'll look deeper at each of the settings. And so if you've got any requests for that, just let me know. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.